Here are some recommendations for our morning routine. Our practice actually begins at the time when we are actually waking up. And it is important not to wake up so suddenly. If we have an alarm, it could be a habit that the alarm clocks ring and then we kind of get up and then stop and then getting out of the bed. And then we actually don't want to do that as a yogi, because this is a transition from our consciousness, transiting from the dreaming state into the conscious state. So we want to transit from the sleeping state into a waking state in harmony and peace. So the first recommendation for your morning routine is to wake up gently. Start to breathe, start to connect with your breath. Instead of start to move your body too quickly, first connect with your feelings, connect with your energy, life force, connect with your breath, and start to wake up gently. And at this time of transition, if you had a dream, then this is the great moment to connect with your dream. Try to remember these are the messages from our subconsciousness. So some symbols might speak to your heart. And also it's good to connect with our heart before moving the body. Feel grateful for another day, for the experience of human life. So it's good to feel our heart before getting out of the bed. So after the smooth, peaceful transition, we finally get out of the bed. And first thing that you would like to do is to clean your tongue. Overnight, during our sleep, we produce different kind of toxins that the body is so intelligent that when we are sleeping, the body is taking out the things that we don't need, the body doesn't need anymore. So in the morning, I'm sure that you experience some kind of funky feelings in your mouth, and that is because the mucus are coming out from our internal body and it appears inside of the mouth and on the surface of the tongue. So I hope you have a tongue scraper. First thing that you'd like to do is to scrape your tongue with the tongue scraper before drinking the water. You can, after that, brush your teeth, wash your face, take shower. If you're familiar with jala neti, the cleaning of the nostril, there is a tool called neti pot. Neti pot looks like a teapot, and that will clean the nostrils. This is definitely helpful. If you have a solid pranayama practice, this is the absolute element that you don't want to skip in the morning. Yeah. And after cleaning and so on, and it's time to drink water. And I recommend you to squeeze a little bit of lemon or lime to alkalize your water. It's really beneficial to drink lemon or lime water in the morning, and don't drink cold water either. The water shall be room temperature or even warm water. If you'd like to stimulate the bowel movement, then you can also add a few slices of gingers as well. And as we drink this warm lemon ginger water, prepare for our practice, our body, mind, and spirit, and take time to practice. If you have time, you can practice everything: mantra, mudra, asana, breathing, pranayama, and meditation. If you have a limited time, pick one or two elements. Maybe today I do mantra and asana. Today I have only 20 minutes, so I just do the asana and pranayama and then start the day. But even just 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, take your morning time. So for your morning routine, consider to add the extra 15, 20 minutes for the cleaning and drinking the lemon water, contemplating and connecting with your dream on top of your practice time. Then you will have some clear idea of your shining morning routine. Hope you're inspired and hope you incorporate some of the tips that I've shared today.